Hey everyone, if you have dry scalp, itchy scalp, if you feel like you have dandruff, which I'm sure it's not dandruff, there is a difference, but you did stop at the right place. I'm going to show you what a scalp treatment is and what it does. It's very good for your scalp, obviously for stimulation, all the things like that. If you're growing your hair, this is good to do at least once a week. It's very good for your scalp. So first off, you're going to want a bristle brush. It's stiff, but it's still bendy. So it's not gonna kill your scalp, but it is going to take that dry skin off. And then I just do a rat tail comb like this that you can just part with. Or you can use your fingernail, either or. You don't have to have one of these. And you can get these at Sally's or Walmart, something like that. I like to mix my product in here. For the cleaning of the scalp, I love the black 2-in-1. This is really good cleansing for your scalp, and it also makes it feel a little bit tingly. And so that helps with the feel. Once you start massaging the head, it is phenomenal. Then I add Rejuvenate oil. This is actually good for over 101 ways. It's good for sunburns, all sorts of things, but this is super good for either oily hair, which sounds crazy because of the oil, or dry scalp. So I add this. It's about half and half, not quite half oil, but about a quarter to the rest, the shampoo. Now, if you want, you can also just use a very hydrating conditioner to do what I'm going to do for this. But I wanted to tell you what I used for my scalp treatments. Okay, so we're gonna start out here. I like to grab both ends like this just with my combs, because then I can do this back and forth. It's just a little bit easier. So you're gonna come and you're gonna go down. You're gonna press hard, go against the scalp. If she was real, you would be seeing skin flake off all over. By the time I'm done doing this to my clients, the cape is usually full with the dead dry skin, and that's okay. It's good. It's embarrassing for people, but please don't be embarrassed. It's normal, and it's very healthy for your scalp to get off. Okay, so you're gonna do that. Then you're gonna take and you're gonna put this through. You're gonna rub it in. Then you're gonna take the next section. Okay, then you're gonna go back and forth, and you can just comb the scalp as much as you need to. And you'll be able to tell with the skin coming off when you can stop combing. Then you're gonna do another little section, rub this in, go to the next section. Again, you're going to comb, just brush against that scalp. Then you're gonna do another section, rub this in. Okay, so instead of wasting your time and doing this all over head, that's what you're going to do, okay? You're going to come each section, you're gonna add this to the scalp, you're gonna rub it in, you're gonna come over here, do it on this side, then you're going to take 2 sections or 3 sections in the back, same thing, do the same thing here, okay? Once it's all done and all of the shampoo or the conditioner, whatever you do, the oil, you are going to come in, you are going to massage the head back and forth with your fingers. And what this does is it helps condition that scalp. It's really getting into those pores. So you're gonna come in, go through here. Another thing that I love with my scalp treatments, I take the front of the head and the back of the head. You're going to squeeze and lift up, hold for a second, and then you let go. Then again, you can come in, squeeze, hold, like push up, hold for a second, and then let go. That really, you're just gonna love it. Trust me, just try it. Anyway, so I do this for at least, 10, 15 minutes at least, sit and rub. You can even go longer. It depends on how long your client has. And then by then it will be tingling with this product, cleaning that scalp so well. And then after that, then I come down into the neck, I massage the neck and then go into the shoulders. So neck, shoulders massage with the scalp. There's no better feeling. It is the best. So if you are having troubles with your scalp, and I know there are some other issues that people have, whether it be psoriasis or whatever, you know, there are different regimens for this, but this is just for just an itchy, dry scalp. This will really help. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. But really, if you can just get in there, massage that scalp, get all that dead skin off of the scalp, the buildup, get all of that off. Give the little massage, neck massage, shoulder massage, and then you go ahead and wash them. And then you can dry them out and they will feel brand new. Anyway, that was just a little tip and trick that I love to do for when your scalp gets dry or itchy. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me and let me know if this video helped you. If you want more videos like this, I really appreciate your support. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will chat next time. See ya.